Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use pushcut for stock price alerts. So I just tap on my pushcut app and here is the stock price alert. I set it the name of stock price alert, and if you want to add a stock price alert URL on it, so you will just tab on this add action, and when you just tab on it, so it will say that if you want to unlock to add more than one action, so you will have to purchase a plan of pushcut pro. So after purchasing you will be able to see these features. You will see run shortcuts and scenes automatically on your automation server. So this feature can help us. I will just go back, and when you just purchase the plan you will just go back and open the shortcut. So from here what to do, you will just tab on the top right corner of plus icon, and in here you will just search for URL. Just tab on it, and after go back and open the Google Chrome, and here is a tradingeconomies.com. So it will tell you a daily stock price that goes higher or lower. So I will just copy the URL, and I will just go back and open the shortcut, and I will just put it here, hold it, and again I will just tab on it, and I will just clipboard and paste above, allow. So I will just paste my website of United States stock market. So from here I will just tab on this done icon, the name of URL too. So what to do, I will just tab on it and done. Go back in the pushcut app. When you purchase the plan you will just tab on it here, and just tab on add action when you purchasing the plan. So the next you will be able to see the option of URL, webhook URL. You will just paste it here, or you can also see the more options about set the daily timing of trigger which you like. So when all the things are done you will just tap on this done button, and which time you will be the set on this, it will notifying you stock price alert. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.